Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export just the subtitles on CapCut PC. This is a pro feature before people comment in the chat. Anyways, add in your video and then go to text and then go to the auto captions and then generate. Depending on how long your video is, it does take a little bit longer. I might just make this a little bit shorter so you guys don't have to wait that long for me to finish the captions. Well, actually, CapCut does it. Anyways, go to the export tab here. And then there's going to be like a export captions here. I'll show you. I can't really export it because I don't have Pro. But if I go down here, there's going to be captions and you're just going to select this. I can't, unfortunately, again, show you, but you get the gist. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.